Tired of manually calculating those pesky 10% increases in Excel? Let's make it effortless. Imagine you have a list of numbers in Excel, like product prices, and you need to increase each one by 10%. Instead of doing that for every single cell, we can use a simple formula to do it for us. First, we'll start by selecting an empty cell right next to your data where you want the increased value to appear for this tutorial. Let's say our original prices are in column A, starting from A1. In this selected cell, let's say B1, you'll type an equals sign to begin your formula. Then, you'll click on the first cell containing the number you want to increase, so we click on A1. Now, to add 10%, we multiply that cell by 11. You can type this directly as 11, so your formula will look like equals A1 11. This effectively takes the value in A1 and adds 10% to it. Press enter, and voila, you'll see the original value from A1 increased by 10% in cell B1. Now, here's where the magic happens for your entire list. Position your cursor over the small square at the bottom right corner of the cell containing your formula. This is called the fill handle. Click and drag that fill handle down to apply the same formula to all the other cells in your column. Excel is smart enough to automatically adjust the cell reference for each row. And there you have it. Every value in your original column has now been increased by 10% in this new column, thanks to a single formula and a quick drag. This technique is incredibly powerful for quickly updating datasets and ensuring accuracy in your calculations. You've now mastered the art of adding 10% to cells in Excel, making future tasks a breeze.